Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove apps and websites connected to Facebook. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile device. Now once you're here, make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now just at the bottom right corner, you can see 3 lines icon with menu on it. Tap on it. Now once you are here, just at the top right corner, beside the search icon, you can see a gear icon. So tap on that gear icon. With that, you'll come across settings and privacy page. Now scroll down below. Now you'll see the option of your activity. Now just under your activity, you can see apps and websites. So just tap on that option. Now once you are here, you can see apps and websites that are connected to your Facebook account. Now in order to remove these apps, just tap on an application you want to remove. So for instance, let's say I want to remove TikTok. Now just below the application's name, you can see the option of remove. Tap on it. With that, a window like this will appear on your screen that states that TikTok will no longer be able to use your information. Also, you can make a check mark on the box below in order to notify the application about your app deletion from Facebook. Now just tap on remove at the bottom. Let's wait for some time. Now you can see that TikTok has been removed from my apps and websites section. You can follow these same steps in order to remove other applications and websites from your Facebook account. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.